Ever feel like your kitchen routine is stuck in a loop of chopping chaos, soggy toast, and subpar coffee? Imagine swapping that stress for smooth, seamless meal prep with gadgets you never knew you needed. Today, I'll reveal 30 Amazon finds, from an instant egg cooker to a smart sous vide that will revolutionize your cooking game. All product links are waiting in the description, and our website hosts in-depth reviews plus side-by-side comparisons. If these picks help, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you catch every new roundup. Now, let's dive into the list. Gurudar Glass Pumpkin Teapot with Infuser. Hand-blown from heat-resistant borosilicate, the 40-ounce Gurudar Pumpkin Teapot lets you brew family-size batches right on the stovetop or in the microwave, then carry them to the table without thermal shock worries. A removable stainless infuser corrals loose leaves while the clear pumpkin walls turn steeping into a mini-show. The ergonomic handle and drip-free spout pour gracefully, so no sticky rings on your tray. Practical, durable, and photogenic, it turns everyday tea breaks into cozy centerpiece moments. AeroPress Original Coffee Press. The AeroPress Original packs French press immersion, espresso-style pressure, and pour-over clarity into a palm-sized tube. Microfilters strip grit, leaving a smooth, full-bodied cup in about 60 seconds. It weighs less than a mug, so it lives in your desk drawer or hiking pack, and cleanup is literally a puck push and rinse. Dial your strength hot or iced, on the road or at home, and skip bitter cafe brews forever. The product video proves just how mess-free that ritual can be. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Perfect eggs, zero babysitting. Dash's Rapid Egg Cooker steams 6 eggs to soft, medium, or hard firmness and then shuts itself off. No timer, no cracked shells. Swap in the poach or omelet trays for protein snacks in minutes. Weighing 1 pound, it tucks into dorm drawers, RV cabinets, or tiny apartments, and every accessory is dishwasher safe. With 129K 5-star reviews, the product video's billowing steam shows why this #1 bestseller is a foolproof, fast, space-smart breakfast hero. Cosary Light Smart Air Fryer 4-quart. Need crispy fries without countertop takeover? The 4-quart Cosary Light hits 450 degrees Fahrenheit, blasts food with even heating tech, and slashes oil by 97%. 5 presets keep warm and a shake reminder live on the touchscreen. Or run everything from the VSync app and Alexa. The basket and crisper plate are non-stick, BPA-free, and dishwasher safe. Over 150 guided recipes keep dinner fresh, and the demo shows fries landing before you finish scrolling TikTok. Healthier, cheaper than takeout. Ninja Creamy Deluxe 11-in-1. Pop a frozen base into the Ninja Creamy Deluxe. Press 1 of 11 programs. Ice cream, sorbet, milkshake, frozen drink, you name it. And watch rock-hard blocks turn spoon soft. 2 XL 24-ounce tubs feed the whole crew, and Respin lets you tweak texture or mix-ins until perfect. Cleanup is a quick rinse because only the pint contacts food. The Amazon clip shows frozen fruit becoming dairy-free soft serve in under 2 minutes, magic for kids and midnight snackers. KitchenAid Cordless Variable Speed Hand Blender. Cut the cord, not the power. KitchenAid's cordless immersion blender whirs through soups and smoothies with a variable speed trigger powered by a lithium-ion battery that purees up to 25 bowls on one charge. A 20-minute quick charge rescue keeps dinner on schedule. The 8-inch stainless arm detaches for dishwashing. A pan guard prevents nicks on non-stick pots, and the demo clip blends chunky salsa right at a picnic table, proving portability isn't just marketing. Chef and Veggie Chop Hand-Powered Chopper. Tear-free onion dice with no outlet required. Pull the Chef and Veggie Chop's handle and stainless blades whirl through herbs, nuts, veggies, even boneless chicken. More pulls mean finer cuts, giving you salsa, pesto, or baby food in seconds. The 3-cup bowl seals odors and pops in the dishwasher, and camping bloggers love that it doubles as a lidded storage bowl. Manual control, minimal mess, maximum speed. The product video shows pesto made in just 12 pulls. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. Split, pit, and slice in 10 seconds flat. The nylon blade glides through skin. A twist of the stainless pitter pops the seed, and the fan blade lifts 7 Insta-Ready wedges. A cushy non-slip grip keeps slippery hands safe, and the whole tool is top-rack dishwasher friendly. Watch the quick demo on its Amazon page and see the entire process done before your toast even cools. Joseph Nest 9 Plus Prep Set. Cabinet chaos solved. Joseph's Nest 9 Plus stacks 2 mixing bowls, a mesh sieve, a colander, and 5 measuring cups into one tidy tower with non-slip bases and easy pour spouts. BPA-free and dishwasher safe, it's a full prep station that occupies the space of a single bowl, perfect for apartment cooks or RVers. The listing's 360 degrees video spins the stack to prove how little space 9 tools need. Tiny kitchen owners swear it declutters shelves instantly. Zule Original Milk Frother. Treat every mug like a barista special. The handheld Zule Frother spins at 13K RPM, whipping dairy or plant milks into microfoam for lattes, matcha, or keto coffee in 20 seconds. 2 AA batteries and a sleek stand are included, so there's no cord clutter. Stainless steel construction rinses clean, and thousands of 5-star reviews back its durability. Amazon's demo foams oat milk so thick it stands in peaks, and it even mixes protein drinks on leg day. Simple Human Rechargeable Sensor Soap Pump 9 ounces. Wave your hand, get soap, 0.2 seconds later. Simple Human's rechargeable pump uses an infrared sensor and clog-proof tubing for precise variable dosing. A silicone no-drip valve snaps shut to stop mess, and one USB charge lasts roughly 3 months. The brushed steel body looks pro on any countertop, and a wide funnel opening makes refills drama-free. The listing video drops a spoon under the spout to show 0 dribbles, small detail, big hygiene win. At TechCity Smart Nutrition Kitchen Scale, turn your counter into a nutrition lab. TechCity's waterproof stainless platform pairs with the VSync app to log 19 nutrients, scan barcodes, and sync to Apple Health or Fitbit. 4 high-precision sensors measure from 3 grams to 11 pounds in 1 gram steps, and one-touch Tear Zeros containers instantly. Slim, rechargeable, and armed with an easy-read LCD, it's the key to keto macros, meal prep accuracy, and portion control. A video walkthrough even shows how the app displays macro charts. Full Star Vegetable Chopper Pro. 4 ultra-sharp blades dice, julienne, spiralize, or slice straight into a 1.2-liter catch tray, 0 countermess, and uniform pieces every time. A soft grip lever multiplies force, a safety glove protects fingers, and everything is BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Watch the listing clip. Half an onion becomes perfect dice in a single press. Less than 5 seconds from peel to pan. TikTok loves it because prep time is cut in half and onion tears disappear. Meter Plus Wireless Meat Thermometer. Meter Plus is completely wire-free. A dual-sensor probe tracks internal meat up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and ambient grill heat to 527 degrees Fahrenheit, then relays data 165 feet to the Guided Cook app. Algorithms predict finish times, walk you through resting, and even warn of flare-ups. The bamboo case doubles as Bluetooth repeater and charger, so the probe always stays powered. The product video lets you watch temperature curves rise in real time, precision cooking without lifting the lid. Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide. The 1100-watt Joule Turbo Circulator uses cloud algorithms to cook chicken, steak, or salmon up to 50% faster than classic sous vide while still delivering edge-to-edge perfection. Set a doneness in the Joule app, clip the wand to any pot, and let autopilot handle the ramp. A visual timeline shows exactly when dinner lands. A magnetic base and pivot clip fit cramped kitchens and the polished steel tube stows in a drawer. The Amazon video proves turbo mode isn't just hype. SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker. Skip store-bought seltzer forever. The SodaStream Terra snaps a quick connect carbon dioxide cylinder into place, then carbonates tap water at the push of a top-mounted lever. No batteries, no cords. Each BPA-free, dishwasher-safe bottle keeps fizz locked for days, and one cylinder replaces roughly 126 single-use cans. 3 pump bursts let you dial bubble intensity from subtle sparkle to face-tingling fizz. It's slimmer than a blender, saving counter real estate while saving the planet and your wallet from endless plastic waste. Pure, customizable hydration on demand. Vitamix Immersion Blender, Vitamix Power Handheld Freedom. A 625-watt motor turns the 5-speed dial, pulverizing frozen fruit, chunky soup, or nut butter right in the pot. The ergonomic rubber grip stays comfy during long puree sessions, while a 4-pronged stainless blade and anti-suction guard keep splatter down and texture silky. Detach the 18-inch stainless shaft for top-rack dishwashing. Clip-on accessories like a whisk bowl expand its range. If you already trust Vitamix for smoothies, this wand brings that same muscle to every vessel you own. Tom ThermoPro TP19H Instant Read Thermometer. Open, poke, read, done. The TP19H flips out a thermocouple probe that locks onto meat temps in 2-3 seconds with plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy. IP65 waterproof housing laughs at dish splashes, while a 180 degrees auto-rotating display stays visible in daylight and grill smoke. A motion sensor sleeps and wakes to save the AAA battery, and an integrated magnet sticks to the fridge for easy grab. From caramel to brisket, this pocket laser-fast thermometer slashes guesswork and guarantees juicy perfection every single cook. Tineco Toasty One. Smart toaster, meet the first toaster that recognizes bread. A color sensor IntelliHeat system scans slice thickness and moisture, then self-adjusts to hit your exact shade, from barely blonde to deep crunch. The 4-inch touchscreen lets two people save personal profiles, so bagel lover and sourdough addict both get perfect toast back to back. A countdown bar and playful chime add cafe vibes, while smart self-lowering slots prevent finger burns. Crumb tray slides out for quick cleanup. Consistent personalized browning means no more burnt sacrifice slices. Heston Q Smart Induction Burner and Pan. Precision chef tech on a dorm desk footprint. The 1600-watt Heston Q induction burner pairs via Bluetooth with its tri-ply stainless aluminum pan. Embedded sensors feed temperature to the Q app, which drives exact heat pulses within 1 degree Fahrenheit. Step-by-step videos walk you through searing scallops, flipping crepes, or sous vide-like steak without over or undershooting. Auto shut-off safety, 500 degrees Fahrenheit max, and glass ceramic surface wipe clean. It's like Gordon Ramsay whispering timing in your ear, minus the shouting, turning recipes into guaranteed wins. Fellow Stag EKG Pro Electric Kettle. Coffee geeks rejoice. The Stag EKG Pro hits target temps from 104-212 degrees Fahrenheit with +1 degree F precision, reachable via scroll wheel or scheduled via Wi-Fi enabled app. A brew stopwatch times pours, while hold mode keeps water ready for 60 minutes. The precision gooseneck spout and counterbalance walnut handle control flow like latte art pens, and a full-color LCD displays altitude and firmware updates. Matte black steel body looks gallery grade on any counter. Its form, function, and third-wave cred boiled into one elegant vessel. Dream Farm Spoon Silicone Scraping Spoon, 1 spoon, 5 tricks. The spoon's flexible front edge scrapes pans pristine, a deep bowl scoops full servings, and built-in measurement lines mark teaspoon and tablespoon volumes. Flip it over and the weighted handle props the head off counters. No saucy rings. Heat-resistant to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher safe, and available in neon kitchen pop colors, this gadget replaces spatulas, tasting spoons, and ladles in cramped drawers. Watch sauces glide out with zero waste, saving flavor and sink time in one swoop. Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1, pressure cooker by day, air fryer by night. Swap the stainless lid for the included crisp lid and the Duo Crisp sautés, slow cooks, steams, sous vides, dehydrates, and air fries. 11 appliances in one 6-quart footprint. Even Crisp technology circulates 360 degrees hot air for golden fries with 95% less oil, while the pressure side finishes chili in under an hour. Dishwasher-safe inner pot and baskets make cleanup painless, and a step-by-step app guides beginners. It's the Swiss Army knife of countertop cooking. Caraway non-stick ceramic fry pan 10.5-inch. Sleek enough for open shelving, tough enough for daily eggs. Caraway's 10.5-inch fry pan uses a mineral-based ceramic coating that needs only a whisper of oil and releases omelets whole. It's PTFE, PFOA, and lead-free, oven-safe to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, and induction compatible. An aluminum core guarantees even heat, while the stainless handle stays cool stovetop. Included hanging hook and canvas lid saver tame storage chaos, cookware that looks like decor and cleans like a dream. No soaking required. Sensarte ceramic cookware set 14-piece. Upgrade the entire arsenal in one click. This 14-piece Sensarte set includes fry pans, saucepans, a stock pot, and utensils, all coated in Swiss iLag non-stick ceramic that passes PFAS-free tests. Die-cast bodies distribute heat evenly. Glass lids vent steam but trap flavor. Silicone-wrapped handles resist 480 degrees Fahrenheit oven temps and stay cool on gas or induction. Nesting design plus felt pads protect stacking. Buying each pan individually would crush budgets. This bundle delivers a cohesive, healthy, Instagram-worthy kitchen makeover instantly. Mueller Pro Series Vegetable Chopper. Slice prep time literally. 4 German 420 stainless inserts julienne, dice, ribbon, or grate straight into a 1.5-liter catch tray, no flyaway bits. A hinged pusher grid multiplies hand force, while a cleaning fork pops lodged pieces. Non-skid feet anchor the unit. All pieces are BPA-free and top-rack safe. Swap onions to peppers to cheese in seconds for uniform stir-fry or salad bars. Health gurus love it because uniform veggies cook evenly and portion control gets visual cues. Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Hands, wrists, and manicure savior. Tap once and the Kitchen Mama circles 360 degrees, leaving a smooth edge lid that won't slice fingers. Automatic shutoff and magnet lift mean zero lid fishing. Lightweight, battery-powered, and ergonomic, it opens pop-tops, pull tabs, and heavy number 10 cans alike. Campers and arthritis sufferers swear by it. Bright color options make it easy to spot in junk drawers, and wipe-clean plastic keeps germs away. Effortless automation for a chore everyone hates. Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Clip-On Strainer. Drain pasta with one hand and zero colander. The Snap and Strain silicone spine clips onto round or oval pots, pans, even Instant Pots, holding tight while pouring off water. Heat-resistant to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher-friendly, it folds flat for utensil drawer living. Wide drain slots release liquids fast, but keep rice and veggies corralled. Influencers demo a 5-quart pot of noodles tipped effortlessly. No lost fusilli, no sink dance. Space saved, dishes cut, dinner faster. Anova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer. Lock flavor, kill freezer burn. Anova's slim sealer pulls 12 liters per minute of air, then heat seals any brand of bag with one-touch simplicity. Pulse function protects pastries, and an accessory port attaches to jar caps for pantry freshness. Store sous vide steaks, bulk buy cheese, or marinate in minutes. Tucks vertically beside the blender, and 5 starter bags get you sealing right away. Pair with Anova sous vide wands for a complete pro kitchen workflow without commercial-grade price tags. Finamil Rechargeable Spice Grinder. Fresh ground flavor, zero cross-contamination. Finamil's electric base snaps onto interchangeable Finapods, letting you swap peppercorns for cumin in one click, no flavor mingling. A Li-ion battery powers a bright LED and variable speed, grinding coarse to fine at the press of a button. Pods seal airtight when off the base, doubling as storage jars. Charge via USB-C, stash upright on its included dock, and keep counters crumb-free. It's the barista tamper of seasoning, precision, speed, and serious style. And that's a wrap on our 30 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets for 2025. From space-saving tools to high-tech helpers, these picks will transform how you cook, prep, and entertain. If you found something you love, smash that like button. Hit subscribe for more gadget deep dives, and share this video with your fellow foodies. Drop a comment below. What gadget are you adding to your cart first?